In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on your desktop PC. So to do this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head down to the bottom left hand corner to your search bar icon, or you can click on start and then also go to the settings tab. Once you click on settings, obviously all of these settings will come up here and these different categories. And the one we need in today's video will be personalization here on the right hand side. Once you click on personalization, as you can see on the left hand side bar here, there is a couple of options, and the one we need in today's video will be this colors option. So once you click on colors, as you can see, there is an option for choose your color, and mine is custom at the moment, but what you can do is simply click on dark. Once you click on dark, it will change your desktop to the dark theme. And you can also click on custom, and then you can have different colors now for the desktop and the taskbar itself. So if this video did help you out, please leave a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.